Brother, listen carefully. Before you close your eyes tonight, there's something your heart needs to hear. You've been running all day, chasing work, people, and problems, but have you stopped for a moment and asked yourself, what if tonight is my last night? Allah is reminding you every single day, through the difficulties, through the blessings, even through the silence of the night, that your life is short and your return to Him is certain. You and I, we keep delaying, thinking we'll pray tomorrow. We'll change tomorrow, we'll become better later. But tomorrow is never guaranteed. Before you sleep, ask yourself, have I thanked Allah today? Did I really appreciate the breath in my lungs, the food on my table, the people I love? Or did I live this day as if I created myself? Allah says in the Qur'an, "So remember me, I will remember you. Be grateful to me and do not deny me." This is not just a verse, it's a promise. If you remember Allah tonight, He will remember you. Imagine the Creator of the heavens and the earth remembering your name. That's worth more than all the wealth of this world. So don't sleep heavy-hearted. Don't sleep without asking forgiveness. Don't sleep without raising your hands and saying, "Ya Allah, thank you for everything. Forgive me if I fell short today. Give me another chance tomorrow to be better." Because one day, my brother, one night will come when your eyes will close and they won't open again. And on that night, only your connection with Allah will matter. So tonight, remind your heart, return to Him, and sleep with His remembrance on your lips. That's the most powerful reminder you can carry till the end for a message that will stay in your heart forever. Share this with your family and friends so they too can benefit from this reminder. Let's revive our hearts with faith and love for Allah.